I'm Carolyn Roy-Bornstein, pediatrician, writer-in-residence at the Lawrence Family Medicine Residency Program, and author of Writing Through Burnout: How to Thrive While Working in Healthcare from Johns Hopkins University Press. We doctors bear witness to suffering every day, and if we hold on to that suffering, it can quickly deplete us. Our hearts need a back door. We need to figure out how to let go of the suffering that doesn't belong to us while holding on to wisdom gained. A reflective writing practice can be that back door. In my talk, I'll be unpacking the science behind how writing has been proven to mitigate stress and burnout by providing a safe place for us to express our deepest thoughts and feelings, build confidence and resilience by helping us identify our signature strengths, and foster our own inner wisdom, enhance empathy and cultivate connection, deepening our relationships that are critical in countering the cynicism inherent in burnout. I love medicine, and I want you to discover the joy and meaning in the vocation that called us. I want you not to just survive residency and early practice. I want you to thrive. I'll see you soon.